Think you're the smartest in your group? Can you crack brain-busting puzzles and beat everyone every week? Welcome to Puzzle Challenge 2025, India's most thrilling, skill-based weekly puzzle competition. Start with just Rs 15. Race against others to clear tricky levels, climb the leaderboard, and win real cash prizes. Here's how it works. 1. Tap the link and join our exclusive Telegram group. 2. Get the competition password and all the game details instantly. 3. Every week, use your brain power to solve as many levels as you can. 4. Fail? No worries. Try again. Unlimited attempts, but only the best win. Top 1 champion takes home Rs 500. Next 10 top players get Rs 100 each every week. Compete with the smartest minds in India. Practice anytime for free. Then take on the real competition, 100% skill-based. No luck, only logic. Instant updates, fair play, and real cash rewards directly to winners. Join hundreds of daily players. Every week, a new chance to become the ultimate puzzle champion. Don't wait. This week's challenge has already begun. Hit the link, join our Telegram group link in description, and let the brain battle begin. Will you top the leaderboard and win real cash? Only on Puzzle Challenge 2025. Are you ready?